If you're trying to get your credit back on track, there's more than one way to do it. You could go about it yourself, sorting through piles of old boring documents. Or you could choose the surest and least stressful way that there is, and you could use a credit repair company. With a credit repair company, you get to hand that task over to a trained group of specialists who will take on that grunt work for you and have your credit back in shape in no time. Now the big question becomes, which credit repair company to choose? But I've got an idea that by the end of this video, you'll know which one to pick. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I'm FICO certified credit coach Jeremy Dysock with Credilife, your one-stop credit repair and financial wellness company with over a decade of experience and an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Let's dive right into the video. We'll talk about credit repair, what it is, and why it works. Credit repair is the process of improving a person's credit score by identifying negative items on their credit report and addressing them with verification and validation. These negative items can include collections, late payments, bankruptcies, and even inquiries, all of which drag down your credit score. But why does it matter? You probably already know the answer to that, but here's a mini crash course on credit and credit scores to make sure we're all on the same page. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your credit worthiness. It's based on your credit history, which includes factors such as your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. Your credit score is also important because it can impact other areas of your life, such as renting an apartment, getting a job, or obtaining insurance. Landlords, employers, and insurance companies will often use your credit scores to assess your financial responsibility and determine whether or not to work with you. A higher credit score indicates that you are a low-risk borrower, and you're more likely to be approved for credit and offered lower interest rates. On the other hand, a low credit score suggests that you're a high-risk borrower and you may be denied credit or offered higher interest rates. Credit scores are generated by an algorithm being applied to the information kept about you at the credit bureaus. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are 3 credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now these are private companies, so essentially they're mercenaries, they're not missionaries, and you are not their customer, you are their product, your data. Now, these 3 companies keep information on you, me, and 350 million other people. They get this information on average from 20 different sources per person per month. That's 350 million times 20 sources times 3 bureaus. If they wanted to verify even 1% of that data, that would equal 210 million pieces of information that they would need to verify each month. It's an impossible task. So guess how much information they verify? 0, none, zip. None of your information is verified or validated. Now here's the problem. Decisions are made about you every day with this unverified information. And not small decisions, big decisions like if you get a house, if you can have a job, if you can have insurance, if you can have a car. And where do they go to check you out? To check out your credit worthiness? They go to the largest repository of unverified data in the world, the credit bureaus. And if that seems like it's not fair, that's because it's not fair. In fact, it's so unfair that the federal government passed a law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act to govern how the bureaus operate. Now, the Fair Credit Reporting Act lets us do something kind of interesting. It lets us have some power. It lets us go to the bureaus and say, hey guys, with all due respect, prove it. Prove it or remove it. Kind of like Johnny Cochran, if the glove doesn't fit, you must acquit. Prove it or remove it. So upon demand, the credit bureaus must verify and validate and document that everything they're reporting is 100% accurate and factual and current and verifiable as of today. Not back when it was reported, but today. And if they can't verify and validate and document that every single piece of information that's questioned is 100% verifiable as of today, then by law that information is permanently deleted, gone from the credit profile like it never happened. Now, it doesn't mean debt's gone. Debt's a separate issue. But what it means is their ability to report to the world's largest repository of unverified data, the bureaus, that goes away, and that's very powerful. Having a higher credit score can save you a lot of money in the long run. That's why credit repair is essential if you want to achieve your financial goals, and that's where credit repair companies such as Credilife come in. The staff at Credilife are the experts in identifying the errors and the negative items that I mentioned earlier. They do it all the time, so they've got the experience and the technical knowledge needed to review your credit report and identify the negative items that are hurting your credit score and then address them. But it doesn't stop there, even though that's a lot of work. But the real work is what comes next after spotting the problems. Credilife does the dirty task of dealing with the credit bureaus and the creditors for you to have those issues removed or corrected. This can involve sending letters, assessing results, and all of the work in following up with the next steps. But it's all done on your behalf, saving you time and effort. Hiring Credilife is beneficial because they've got the knowledge and the expertise to navigate the credit reporting systems and also help you understand your credit and provide guidance on how to improve and maintain your credit score in the long run. This can include advice on utilization, budgeting, savings, paying off debts, debt settlement, and establishing good long-term credit habits. Let's say you're trying to buy a house, but your credit score is low. This means that you'll likely be offered a higher interest rate on your mortgage, which can cost you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Now, you might be able to afford the monthly payments, but that higher interest rate will take money away from your budget that you could use for other things. The good news is you can turn this around if you hire Credilife to help you improve your credit score. Over time, your credit score improves and you're able to qualify for lower interest rates. So look at it this way. By hiring Credilife, you've saved yourself tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage, and you're now able to save money and achieve your long-term financial goals, all because you took the time to fix your credit. Overall, if you're struggling with the decision to use a credit repair company, hiring a credit repair company can be a smart choice because it can help your overall financial wellness. It can save you money and give you the peace of mind knowing that the experts are working to improve your score on your behalf. Now that you understand their importance, let's talk more about the top credit repair company, Credilife. If you're looking for the best overall service, you'd better turn your eyes to Credilife. Credilife offers a unique and personalized approach to credit repair. We offer a one-on-one consultation with a FICO certified credit coach to evaluate your credit and create a customized plan of action based on your specific needs. This tailored approach sets Credilife apart from the other credit repair companies. And if you want to understand how credit works and maintain a good credit score in the future, Credilife offers a credit education program. Whether it's getting a new car or your dream home, if you need to get your credit up to par, Credilife is just what you need. And it's 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1, use the link on this page to sign up for the Credilife program with just a few important bits of data. Step 2, a FICO certified credit coach will schedule your one-on-one phone consultation with you. On that call, your coach will get your credit monitoring opened with you. That way we can get a good understanding of what's going to work the best and fastest for you. And step 3, sit back and relax while your credit gets back in shape. Credilife is the best fit for you as it covers all of the areas of credit repair and financial wellness that I just described. And it's easy to enroll right now with the link on the page. To make things even better, when you click the link below and enroll today, you're going to receive a discount on your first payment. So what are you waiting for? Better credit is just a click away.